students, let me now guide you how to do this preference list creation in this particular video. In this slide, you can see that once your profile is 100% complete, you can see an add new button to the right side of the slide. You can add preferences through searching courses, institutions, and you can add the preference list as per your choice. Now, you can search by district, by program, by subject, by college, by university. This is as per your choice. Let us search by college. Let us take one college and click the search button. As you click the search button, all the courses that this particular college provides will be shown. Now, you need to check your eligibility for a particular course in this college, and you see, since you are eligible in this particular course as per marks provided by you in the previous sections, you can add to preference list. So, by clicking that button, you can see the various subject combinations and the fees to be paid for the same. So, selecting that, you click on the proceed button and then you can select your preference. You can put down 1 or 2 as per your choice and click on yes to move on, and then your preference is successfully added. You can go to the preference list again for adding new. So, you continue and search. As you continue and search, you can go for some other course. You check your eligibility. If you are eligible, then again the subject combinations and the payable fees are shown. You proceed. Again you select your preference and add. Now, you can go to the preference list and check. Here in your dashboard, the 2 courses for that college that you have selected and added to your preference list are shown. If you are not eligible, then it will definitely not be shown. If you are eligible and you add to your preference list, then it will be shown. Now, it is important to remember that you can add maximum of 25 courses in one institution or across institutions of the state, but the limit is 25. So, a maximum of 25 courses can be added. Now, here, since in this example we have added 2 preferences and the first one and the second one as per the preference given are shown in the left hand side. Now, you can see 2 arrows on each side of the 2 buttons. Now, you can swipe your preferences, you can click on those arrows and change your preference. You can make your preference to your preference 1 or thereby your preference 1 as preference 2, and that is reflected in your preference list. You can also, if required, delete your preference and add new ones. A maximum of 25 courses can be added through this procedure. Do this very carefully, because it is this preference list which will help you to the process of upgradation if you opt for it in the later phase of the admission process. So, be very sure that you have placed your preference list correctly. Now, you can go to your dashboard and see that your preferences are there. You can save by clicking on the save button and you will have a pop-up message. You click yes and your process of creation of preference list becomes complete. Once it is done, you will have this kind of whatever is shown in the screen. Whatever you have added in your preference, that will be shown in this kind of a document. So, this is your application form, and your preference list is also shown categorically in this document. You can download it as per your convenience. So, we have understood how to create preference list, and this is the last phase of your application. After this, you have to go to the admission procedure, which I will show you in a different video. But again, as a caution, I make this statement that be very careful while you create your preference list. This is really important. Thank you.